The people who love us the most stand right beside us, yet we fail to see them. This is not a story about food. It is a story about love. A love packed silently inside a tiffin box. Neha worked in a big IT company. Her days began before sunrise and ended long after midnight. Emails, meetings, deadlines. Her phone never stopped ringing. At home, her father lay sick on the bed, weak and dependent. Her mother spent her days caring for him, feeding him, cleaning the house, managing everything quietly. Neha believed she was holding the family together. Bills, hospital expenses, rent, everything depended on her salary. Slowly, without realizing it, responsibility turned into pride, and pride turned into impatience. Small things started irritating Neha. If food was late, she scolded her mother. If tea was cold, she complained. If her mother asked a question, Neha replied sharply. Her mother never argued back. She listened. She stayed silent. In her heart, she believed, "My daughter is under pressure. She speaks like this because she cares." But every harsh word slowly broke her heart. One night, Neha received a call from her manager. An urgent project, client meeting in Mumbai. She had to leave early, 4 a.m. train. Neha packed her bag quickly. She didn't tell her mother. What will she do anyway? Neha thought. She just stays at home. While Neha spoke on the phone, her mother stood behind the door, listening. That night, the mother couldn't sleep. She set an alarm for 3 a.m. Her body was tired. Her eyes burned, but her heart was awake. She woke up quietly, so her husband wouldn't be disturbed. In the dim kitchen light, she cooked Neha's favorite breakfast, just the way Neha liked it since childhood. She packed it carefully into a tiffin box, placed a water bottle beside it, and kept everything neatly inside Neha's bag. Not a single complaint. Only love. At 4 a.m., Neha came out with her bag. Her mother walked to the door and said softly, "Have a safe journey." Neha replied impatiently, "Why are you awake so early? Do you want money again? I've kept grocery money in the cupboard. Rent is paid too. Don't worry." Before her mother could speak, Neha turned and left. The door closed. The mother stood there, alone. Her eyes filled with tears, but she wiped them away. "She is doing all this for us," she whispered to herself. The railway station was crowded. Announcements echoed. People rushed everywhere. Neha felt hungry. She opened her bag to take out her purse and saw the tiffin box. Confused, she opened it. Inside was her favorite food, warm, fresh, made with love. She took one bite, and suddenly, her throat tightened. Her eyes filled with tears. Memories rushed back. Her mother waking up early every day. Her mother waiting silently. Her mother forgiving every harsh word. Neha realized something painful. While she thought she was taking care of everyone, her mother had been taking care of her. Not with money, not with words, but with sacrifice, patience, and unconditional love. Neha covered her face. For the first time in years, she cried. Some people don't express love loudly, they pack it quietly. Inside a tiffin box, inside a prayer, inside a silent sacrifice. And often, we realize its value only when it touches our heart. A mother's love is silent, selfless, and priceless. Never wait for regret to recognize it.